Heads up, in this video, I'll be showing you how to repair the suede and Nubuck on a pair of Air Jordan Bred 4s so we can take them from looking like this to more like this over here. To get the job done, we'll be using some suede and Nubuck renewal powder and sealer. My name is Footprints. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please stay tuned to the end for more bonus footage. But for now, let's fix these Bred 4s. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is apply the Nubuck renewal sealer to all the affected areas. Of course, we would tape off the entire sneaker, midsole, wings, and the sock liner because we don't want the powder and sealer to get stuck to any of those areas. So I would just apply my sealer to about a whitish grayish coat on top, and then I would apply my powder right on top of the sealer. I will also press it in with my hands as we go along. But for now, I'm just gonna pick the shoe up. I'm gonna get myself a hammer, and all the powder that's on top, I'm just gonna dust it off into a box, because you don't want that powder getting everywhere because it will stain. Like, it will get like everywhere. It's like a jet black powder. Then again, I would just apply more sealer and more powder until I start seeing the Nubuck start to take the form that it naturally has. And then you just repeat. You get your hammer again, knock off that dust, because I don't want the Nubuck renewal powder to clump up. And then I would still press down with my hands, as I said before. Finally, I would just apply a nice light coat of sealer at the end, and then I would bang off any excess dust or particles and leave it that way. I will remove the tape and clean off any dust and sealer that might still be left on the midsole. And then you would just continue to wipe off any other excess with a damp rag. Here we're going to be doing a water test, because I had some questions in the comments that I seen before, as if was the Nubuck powder and sealer waterproof. So I'll just sprinkle some water on it here to show you, and I'm just going to wipe it with my hand to show you that we got no leaks. We sent these back to the owner, and we got a very positive review, and that was like almost 2 years ago. And that's how you get your suede and Nubuck repaired, from looking like that to like this over here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please go check out more of my videos, and if you would like the product, please go check out the links in the description or in the comments. Once again, my name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free, because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off, and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a Month Online Selling Old Shoes, today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching.